In case if your iPhone or iPad is running slow, then let us see some of the things that you can do. Now the first basic thing that you can do is you can simply restart your iPhone or iPad. If you have not restarted your iPhone or iPad since a long time, then restart it. The next thing that you have to do is you have to check how much of space is left in your iPhone. For that one, you will go to settings, go to this option general, go to iPhone storage. Now here you have to see how much of space you have left. I have used 51.9 gigabyte out of 64. That means I have still space left. Now all the applications that you have installed in your iPhone requires some space to run and to store their data. So make sure that there is space left in your iPhone. Now if you are using certain applications and the applications are running slow, then it might be because the Wi-Fi in your iPhone is not strong. That might be the reason that the applications might be running slow. So what you do is restart the router and then check again. Also, you might have installed a bloatware or many free applications that is causing the issue. So what you do is carefully check the applications that you have installed and then delete the application. Now the other thing is you might also have installed applications such as game applications which requires a lot of memory and then has a higher resolution, and because of that one also your iPhone or iPad might be running slow. So in that case what you have to do is check the application that takes more space, more memory and uses more resolution like games, and then delete those applications. Now the other thing is you also have to update your iOS software. If you have not updated the iOS software since long time, what you do is go to settings, go to this option general, go to software update, and then the iPhone will check if there is an update available. For me the iOS software is up to date, but for you if there is update pending, then update your iOS software. Also what you need to do is you need to update the applications installed in your iPhone to the latest version. So for that one what we will do is go to App Store, tap on this profile here, scroll down, and if there is any update pending you will see update button instead of open. Right now all of the applications are updated. If you want the applications to automatically update by themselves, then what you do is go to settings, scroll down, go to App Store, select this option app updates, and your applications will be automatically updated. And one of the important thing that you have to take note is you should not expose your iPhone to higher temperature. If your iPhone or iPad is too hot, then it will run slow. So if you are charging your iPhone, then don't use your iPhone. Many of us what we do is we play video games or we do video call while charging, due to which the iPhone gets hot and it might hang or it will run slow. Now the last thing that you can do is you can reset your iPhone once. Go to settings, go to general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset and select this option reset all settings. Then you have to enter the passcode. Now what this will do is this will reset all settings related to Wi-Fi. All the customizations that you have done will be removed, but no data will be erased. So once you reset your iPhone, then check if your iPhone starts to work faster. So do all of these things and hopefully your iPhone should run faster.